Marina, congratulations, fiance here.
Thank you, baby.
So tell us,
fiance.
was it a surprise? How is it now? Give us a little bit about the engagement. So.
All right. First of all, it was a surprise. The second one, I'm very excited. Like, I'm very surprised.
So now, when you came to the stage and you saw the words, "Will you marry me?" What came to your mind?
I was like, he might be joking. Because what the fuck? Because you know, it's supposed to be like the whole day. Obviously, you know, because it's I don't you know, the stuff that teaches Nagato. Relationships come to find. I'm using it. But now, but I'm taking this I don't know. So I'm very surprised and excited and nervous.
And now I know you're gonna
I'm
tell him.
I'm gonna be a wife. Yes, so Christ, Richie. Yeah.
I know you're gonna tell him a lot of words, but what would be your message to him now?
For now, babe, fiancé, I love you so much. I love you so much. You're my baby for life. My fiancé, my future husband, my husband.
And then you just performed the song Urugolo here.
Exactly. Bon, normally it's quite because the practice teaches what is I performing and then I'm going to so we're going to be performing and to be abantu nago nari nzigara kubizagenda ariko ndi performing and so ndi kuririmbira because what's now.
Congratulations.
Thank you.